Hello. It is now 20 of October 2013 and it's around 7:30ish and there was a lightning spot and I thought, let's hope for the best and that we can have brilliant lightning over there. So let's try and see. It isn't that intense, but I hope that we're gonna have some lightning that is very good. I mean by that. Well, let's see. You can't see it very good on my video camera, but I guess I'm gonna have a new one soon if I get the money, but I must say you can't really see the formation of the clouds, but there is one. Sure, man. You know, it's not good seen on the video, but it's really cool. Wow. Maybe if the lightning hits, then you're gonna see the clouds and way better. Yeah. Don't know what to expect. Oh, here comes big rain. Big rain. It's a good sign, I guess. Well, I can guess not. Oh. Wees not niet mee aan. Ik weet het, iemand die was achter ons dus. Cool. Guess we didn't got him. Oh well. Got a spot in there. It's far behind. And here you see the end of the clouds. Oh well. The spot is in there. No, that kind of fucking direction. But not that. Because that's something else. And the spot is there. No. It's there, that's the spot. That is a spot. And by spot, you know what I mean by spot? Oh, nice. I think I got that one, yeah. Looks awesome. I think I had it one. Let's hope that. This is a spot right there, kinda like looks awesome. Oh, that's nice.